Alright guys, here's how you can quickly set up Hey Siri or just Siri on any iPhone 17 model. Once it's on, you'll be able to use Siri hands-free, even when your phone's locked, or while you're driving with CarPlay. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, go to Talk to Siri. You'll see the option to enable either Siri or Hey Siri. Tap on it to start the setup. Follow the on-screen steps. It's going to ask you to say a few commands out loud so Siri can learn your voice. Speak clearly through the 5 phrases. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Once that's done, you'll see a screen that says Siri is ready. Just hit done, and boom, you're all set. From now on, whether your phone's locked or unlocked, all you gotta do is say, Hey Siri, start a timer for 3 minutes. And your iPhone will start listening for your commands. If it's not working, then recommend to set off and tap on Siri or Hey Siri to set up again. Alternatively, you can activate Siri by pressing and holding the side button to talk to Siri. That's it. Quick, easy, and super handy. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss my next free tech guide.